Ever pondered the power of the mind? Let's delve into the world of faith and autosuggestion. Imagine faith as the unyielding belief in the unseen, the unwavering conviction in our dreams, our goals. It's the driving force that propels us forward, even when the odds are stacked against us. Now let's introduce autosuggestion. It's the psychological technique where we condition our subconscious mind with thoughts, be they positive or negative. The fascinating part? Our subconscious mind can't distinguish between reality and imagination. So when we feed it positive affirmations, it works tirelessly to make them a reality. Faith and autosuggestion, when combined, create an unstoppable force. Faith gives us the courage to dream big, while autosuggestion convinces our subconscious that these dreams are achievable. In essence, they're the secret ingredients to manifesting our desires. So dream big, believe firmly,